2019 Mini Cooper, we are doing a FM modulator. This customer would like to have a Walkman so he can use a CD player. None of these new radios offer CD. So first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna take, I have this one out. First thing you're gonna do is remove this face plate here. It spins like that, then it comes out. And you remove this top center speaker. You just need a pry bar. And then there are two screws here on the bottom. Remove, that's number 20, torx number 20. And on the top, through this hole here, where's my finger? You are pushing this tab down. Otherwise, this is going into this through that hole there. It comes up in the back. So you're gonna push that downward, meaning this one here, you push it down to pull forward. So entire face comes out. It's not like older model that you have to disassemble the entire dash. This one, you just take the trim out this way to torx number 20, top one out, push the tab downward, and the entire face comes out. Disconnect all these harnesses on the back of the display. There's two of them there, and two on the bottom for heater control, I guess, or volume control. We are doing FM modulator, so he can have Walkman. Where is that Walkman? That is Walkman. He's got millions of CDs that he would like to have a CD work through it. So we are putting a FM modulator aux input so he can hook up his Walkman to it. Put everything back together. Male and female antenna adapter here. We got the ignition. Take tuner out. We're not sure which one is the antenna torx screws. It should just come out. The antenna is not this one, but it's all the way far right. So we are finished putting aux jack right there, 3.5 mil. We put a switch under the dash right there. Just gotta put everything back together now. So it snaps in. Basically, when you snap in, this top, the lever that I showed underneath, that you push, it clicks into it, and we just got to put two torx number 20s down here. Just turn this a little bit to lock it in place, and we're going to put the grill back on. Just snaps in. That's it.